Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs. First one is Keap and then second one is Dubsado. We will go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with Keap. Keap is an intuitive sales, CRM and marketing automation software that can be utilized by businesses to enhance their sales and save the time as well. Companies get to generate more leads, sort them out and forward the right kind of messages to the right people. They can also trust on the particular to generate a robust customer experience and get loyal patrons. Its inbuilt features and functionality includes email marketing, reporting and analytics, sales pipeline, CRM, sales and marketing automation, appointments, payments, and more. Users can leverage Keap to generate custom forms and embed them within their landing pages and websites. This also helps them trigger automated actions in real time. Inbuilt SMS and email marketing features help users forward broadcast messages to individual target groups, driving in greater sales. They can also automate the entire sales follow-up and enhance lead conversion rates through the sales pipeline. It's meant to be for small and medium businesses. They are providing excellent support, at least online. Deployment, you can use it on Android and iOS devices as well. When we take a peek on the Keap UI, we see the contacts, new leads, new clients, repeat clients, sales, quotes, and invoices. All those you can change if you want to be today, last 7 days, or last 30 days. With contacts, you really easily can add more. You can even label them as a lead, client, or the other. In task and appointments, I don't think that we have to don't have to talk more, or especially about them, since they are classic CRM features. With money and invoicing, you can easily add a bank account and at least create basic invoices that you have or you have to make. That saves you a time or money for special softwares. If you are a smaller company, you can get around with invoices from Keap. Broadcast, automations, and pipeline reports. Those two options are available only in the Pro option, Pro and Max. To the pricing ranges, we are starting at 500 to 25,000 contacts. If you have more than 25k, you have to contact sales and they will tailor the option or the offer for you. But let's start with 500. At the moment they are having 30% off on your first 3 months, but it ends tomorrow, so we don't have to take that into consideration. But let's check the light version or light bundle, which will be $79 a month, includes 500 contacts and 1 user. If you add more users, it's 30 euros or $30 more every month. With Pro, you get all the features, but it will be 169 a month, 119 till tomorrow, and also $30 more for every user you want to add up. The Max will be 199 and $30 every month more for every single user, but you have unlocked all the features that you can basically think of. Let's talk about Dubsado now. Dubsado is an all-in-one business management application that lets you build relationships, organize appointments, and establish workflows to help you complete tasks faster. It enables the user to automate workflows and trigger operations like email sending, task completion, and invoice creation, all at a single place. Dubsado has questionnaires, contracts, subcontracts, proposals, and contact page forms in its user interface. The software helps with CRM, CMS, and process automation. Users can keep track of unpaid bills, profit margins, costs, and referral sources with Dubsado to keep on top of their financial health. You can also track and monitor how much revenue you made so far and the amount you still owe to your clients. It allows customers to book directly on your website, allowing you to spend less time arranging and more time interacting with them. Users can also set monthly or yearly financial goals with Dubsado. It also meant to be for small and medium businesses, but also individuals. Dubsado is kind of a new player on the playground from 2016, and it's providing online hours, or you can always get in touch with them. They are providing excellent free options, and also very easy way how to check the pricing plans. You want to be billed monthly or annually. Annually, you save up 15% because you basically won't be billed for November and December. With monthly, it's $35 per month in dollars, and you have basically unlimited or all the features unlocked. No questions asked, you just basically subscribe and you just pick the plan, and I feel that's more than fair. You don't have to go through all the Lite, Pro, Max and stuff like that. That actually I like. They are offering, as I said, free trial, and also I would say with CRM features, they are providing internal chat integrations, lead scoring, marketing automation integration, call logging, and document storage. Those Keap doesn't provide. Also social media interactions. So it does way more as a CRM, but also I have to say they are not support invoicing and all money programs around, like billing and invoicing, campaign management, contact management, customer communication management. All those Keap provides. But if you're a smaller company, I strongly advise you to incline towards Dubsado. Easily, at the end, I recommend you to just go with free options and just try them out, or try both of them out and find in yourself which one is better. I would go with Dubsado all the way. But if you have more questions about those, and please leave them underneath this video, leave a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll try to answer all the questions, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.